Say hi.
Yeah, you like the snow, huh?
Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi.
You gonna make a snowman? That's right. You like the snow?
Say yes.
Yeah, you gonna play in the snow later? He's like, alright, I want to go inside now, that's it.
We'll stay out for a little bit, okay? It's
Stay
cold.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Be careful. You like that? Say bye. Yeah, it's snowing. We can't stay out too long, okay? Oh, you're going fast. Oh, you're going fast, David. Slow down. Say hi.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Be careful, okay? Ooh, be careful. There's a lot of snow there, right? Let's go over there. 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 Come on. Let's go over there. Let's go over there.
You having a good time, eh? Good time, right? First time
Yeah.
you played in the snow, right?
Uh-huh. Let's go. Let's go over there. Let's go over there.